Have you ever wondered why some people age faster? Why they feel tired all the time? Or why diseases seem to appear out of nowhere? The answer lies deep inside your body, inside your cells. Every single second, your cells are under attack. From pollution, processed foods, stress, toxins, and even excess sugar. But here's the good news. Your body already has a powerful self-cleaning and self-repair system. And certain foods can activate, protect, and cleanse your cells naturally. Today on Topic Toss, we're revealing 8 powerful foods that cleanse your cells and protect them at a deep, cellular level backed by real science. And trust me, food number 6 works like a shield for your DNA. So watch till the end, because your cells decide your energy, immunity, aging, and lifespan. Let's begin. First, what does cell cleansing really mean? Before we jump in, let's quickly understand something important. Cell cleansing does not mean detox drinks or magic powders. Scientifically, it means removing oxidative stress, reducing free radical damage, supporting autophagy, which is cell repair and recycling, and protecting your cell membranes and DNA. Now, let's feed your cells the protection they deserve. Food number 1, broccoli, the cellular detox activator. Broccoli isn't just a vegetable, it's a cell cleansing machine. Here's the science behind it. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a powerful compound that activates phase 2 detox enzymes, helps cells remove toxins, and protects DNA from damage. Sulforaphane literally switches on your body's internal detox genes. Research shows that sulforaphane reduces oxidative stress and lowers cancer-related cellular damage. The best way to eat it is lightly steamed or raw, because overcooking destroys sulforaphane. Food number 2, blueberries, the cell shield. Blueberries may be small, but they are giants for your cells. They're packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, protect cell membranes, and reduce inflammation at the cellular level. Why does this matter? Well, free radicals punch holes in your cells, and blueberries act like body armor. As a bonus, they also protect brain cells and improve memory. Food number 3, garlic, the cellular cleanser. Garlic has been used as medicine for thousands of years, and science now agrees. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which removes heavy metals, kills harmful pathogens, and reduces cellular inflammation. The cellular benefit is that garlic helps your cells detox without stressing your liver. Here's a quick tip. Crush garlic and wait about 10 minutes before cooking. This simple step activates the allicin. Food number 4, green tea, the DNA protector. Green tea is one of the most studied drinks in the world for good reason. It's rich in a compound called EGCG, which protects DNA from mutation, reduces cellular aging, and activates autophagy, your body's cell recycling process. Here is an interesting fact. EGCG helps damaged cells either repair themselves or self-destruct if they become dangerous. That's next-level protection for your body. Food number 5, avocado, the cell membrane builder. Your cells are surrounded by a membrane. If it's weak, nutrients can't enter and toxins can't exit. Avocados provide healthy monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, a powerful cell antioxidant. Their cellular role is to strengthen cell membranes, making your cells more resilient and efficient. A healthy membrane equals a healthy cell. It's as simple as that. Food number 6, walnuts, the DNA shield. This one is incredibly powerful, so don't skip it. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids, polyphenols, and even melatonin. What do? They reduce DNA strand breaks, lower inflammation inside the cells, and protect your chromosomes. Research shows that people who eat walnuts regularly show less cellular aging. Your DNA will thank you for this one. Food number 7, citrus fruits, the cell repair boosters. Oranges, lemons, grapefruit, all of them are powerful allies for your health. They are high in vitamin C, which repairs damaged cells, boosts collagen, which is vital for cell structure, and even regenerates other antioxidants in your body. An important note here is that vitamin C works inside your cells, not just in your blood. That's real repair, not just surface-level health. And finally, food number 8, turmeric, the cellular fire extinguisher. Turmeric is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods on earth. Its active compound, curcumin, reduces chronic inflammation, protects your mitochondria, which are the power plants of your cells, and slows cellular aging. Why is this critical? Chronic inflammation silently destroys cells over time. Turmeric puts out that fire. A quick tip: always combine turmeric with a little bit of black pepper to dramatically increase its absorption. Now for a bonus, one habit that makes these foods 10 times more powerful. If you really want cell cleansing to work, avoid constant eating. Giving your body a 12 to 14-hour fasting window allows autophagy, your cell's self-cleaning mode, to fully activate. Remember, food plus rest equals repair. So what's the final takeaway? Your cells are listening to what you eat. Every meal is either damaging them or healing them. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need extreme detoxes. You just need the right foods, consistently. And today, on Topic Toss, you learned the 8 foods that cleanse your cells, protect your DNA, slow aging, and strengthen your immunity. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Topic Toss, and leave a comment telling us which of these foods you eat daily. And don't miss our next video, where we're revealing the habits that quietly destroy your cells without you even knowing. Until then, eat smart, live strong, and protect your cells. See you in the next video on Topic Toss.